Four won't like this.
Oobly goobly weezer beezers!
Robali! Where are you? Well, the only one left is Robati, but no one knows where he went.
Wait a minute.
Run! Save yourselves!
Come back.
Is that water?
Whoa!
Where did they go? X, did you see them?
No! I've been watching this little alien running back and forth!
Whoa, this place is real cool. You come here a lot, Robati? Hey, Robati? Whatever. This is amazing. So otherworldly. You must be sick of all that by now, though, after everything that happened inside 4.
Yeah, and I'm especially sick of waterfalls.
Tell me about it.
Well, I was with Match and Stapy.
Stapy?
A lot changed in their pen.
I wish I could have chased Pencil. I respect Benny so much for being able to do it. I'm just angry, Lai. Blocky left, and I get that. But losing a racer as well, and knowing it was because he got caught up in the whole Pencil's Alliance shenanigans?
Why didn't you go after her then?
I don't know how to let it out. I don't know if I can let it out. It's just something I've never done before.
You know, I've had trouble keeping my anger in. I let it out and I hurt people, and I forced myself to keep it in on Death Pack. Even in the exit, I kept it in. It helped me by treating my aggressive side as a different part of me. It's still me, but it doesn't control me. I control it. And I can control when it's good for me to let that part out, like against kitchen sink. Being angry is okay, Pen. You have to let it out or it'll just fester inside of you, and you'll hurt people when you don't mean to.
Maybe I just can't do that. Maybe I'm just not meant to unleash my anger like you do.
It's never too late to express yourself, Pen. It's never too late for anyone.
Hi, guys. Match?
Maybe I can let it out.
Yes, Pen, let it out.
If she didn't join, then maybe my best friend would still be in the game.
Good, Pen, go.
It's all her fault. She took my friend away. She doesn't even care who she hurts.
Wait, Pen, you have to control it.
We nearly lost everything. Reality itself because of her.
Pen, run.
Phew, that felt good, Lai. It felt good.
And now breathe. You're fine.
Thanks, Lai. Say, I wonder where that plank went.
What the?
4? A plank? Aha! Found you! And this time I will tag you!
Quick, Pen, run. Did you see him?
Let me check. Nope, we're all good.
Who's all good?
Ah!
My first tags! Here we go!
Wait, no!
Aww! C4! I tagged people!
No!